Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix AdobeIPCBroker.exe application error. The application was unable to start correctly in a simple and effective way. This error usually happens due to corrupted files or missing system components. First, restart your computer to clear temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. If the error still appears, go to Control Panel, open Programs, and uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud completely. After that, download the latest version from the official Adobe website and reinstall it properly. Now, make sure your Windows is fully updated by going to Settings and checking for updates, because outdated system files can trigger this error. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run a system file check by typing sfc/scan now, then press Enter to repair corrupted files. Also, disable any antivirus temporarily while reinstalling, as it can sometimes block required files. Finally, restart your system again and launch Adobe, and the error should be fixed and everything should work smoothly now without any problems. Subscribe the channel for more videos.